Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will do a new movement, and this movement will be Camel. Camel is happening in the area of our belly, and this is one of these movements with which you will need more time to comprehend what is going on and what to do. So don't feel bad if you won't do it on the first attempt. I promise you will do it, but probably you will need more time to exercise and to understand some things that are going on in our belly muscles. So what we want to do is to divide our belly into three parts: the upper part, the middle part, and the lower part. And we will squeeze. We will work with our muscles one part after another. We talked a little bit about the correct squeezing of muscles in this episode about accent in our belly, so you can go back there and check it out. And today we want to work in the same way. So I'm not working with my muscles like this, because now they're really working. The belly is hard, but I don't have this breaking line in my body. So what I want to do is to squeeze the muscles and to break my body. So my belly is directed into my spine. This is really strange. This is really strange to describe in words, but this is how it works. So squeeze, and you want to glue your muscles to your spine. And we have three parts to squeeze. I'm squeezing upper part and it stays squeezed. Then middle part, and then lower part, and then I relax everything. And once again, upper, middle, lower, relax. Upper, middle, lower, relax. Up, middle, down, relax. And everything that's happening in your glutes, in your pelvis, is not an actual movement. It's just a reaction to the action that is happening in our belly. So here everything is relaxed. You're not working with your pelvis, you're not squeezing your glutes, you're working only with your belly in these three parts. So upper, middle, lower, relax. Upper, middle, lower, relax. Upper, middle, lower, relax. Upper, middle, lower, relax. And when you make this move fluent, so you're squeezing in a fluent way and relax, then appears the camel. One. So I've got 1, 2, 3, relax. 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 So the key to our success with Camel is to really feel what is happening in your belly. You can exercise only with one part. So for the beginning, you can choose, for example, the upper part and just squeeze it here. Up, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax. Then the middle one and the lower. And when you will be able to squeeze all the parts in a separate way, then you can link it together and try to work with the camel. Once again, I'm squeezing from up to down, relax. From up to down, relax. From up to down, relax. And from up to down and relax. And we've got camel and camel and camel and camel. And this is how you do camel. So if you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions or doubts, leave a comment below and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced tutorials, more advanced combos, variations of different movements, psychology, culture, language, history, all things Oriental dance related, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course, here on my YouTube channel. I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life and more. And of course, let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!